Hot boxes and warming carts are everywhere in the food service industry, and oftentimes they're used to keep food in hotel trays at an ideal serving temperature just prior to service. Safety, of course, is paramount. We want to keep the food at the ideal and safe serving temperature, but we also want to keep the people that are using these boxes safe. So what's the best fuel to use? Well, this depends on a number of variables, such as the condition or tightness of the cart, meaning how well it holds the heat, the length of the event, density of food, and amount of product being loaded. As these are non-insulated cabinets, we recommend using a gel type of fuel. I recommend using Sterno ethanol 2-hour gel. This is a terrific product for use in these boxes. It burns for 2 hours and gives you a good amount of heat production. Now let's take a look at the best way to use this fuel in this box. For this box, 3 cans of 2-hour gel are ideal. First, let's prime the box. This means getting it up to temp. Open the can, place the fuel in position. Using a long-reach butane lighter, light the gel. When the can is burning, it gets extremely hot, so use caution. This can features a smart can heat indicator that lets you know when the can is too hot to touch. Always allow the cabinet to come up to temp before placing food inside. Make sure the fuel is securely in place after loading the cart with food, then shut the doors, transport with care. To maximize heat retention, keep doors closed as much as possible when the cart is loaded until service begins. Extinguish the fuel properly when finished with service. For more information and to get your free safety and usage posters, visit sterno.com.